Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your Hostinger emails. If you're worried about losing important messages, this quick guide will help you keep everything safe. Let's get started. First, open your browser, go to hostinger.com and click Log In. Enter your account email and password. If you don't remember your credentials, just use the recovery link below the form. After logging in, you'll land on the hPanel dashboard. From here, find the tab labeled Email. This is where all the accounts tied to your domain are managed. Next, choose the domain email you want to back up and click Manage. Then, select Webmail. This opens the inbox where all your emails are stored. Inside Webmail, you've got a couple of options. You can manually select and download emails one by one, or if the export or backup feature is available, you can download entire folders in one go. Usually, you'll find this under Settings or Preferences in the top menu. Here's a tip. Make a habit of exporting your emails regularly. Yeah, it might feel repetitive, but it guarantees you won't lose conversations if there's ever a server issue or you accidentally delete something important. And that's it. You now know how to back up your Hostinger emails quickly and safely. Keeping backups gives you peace of mind and makes sure your communication history is always protected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.